Welcome! Please watch the whole video to get a better understanding of how to use the portal. To get started, log in using the information given to you by your organization. If you need to sign up, click on the Sign Up button at the bottom to get started. Keep in mind you must have your organization's ID given to you to sign up. Once you click on Sign In, you will be logged in to your custom account. Depending on what you'd like to practice, click on that specific option. For example, to practice for an interview, simply click on Start Interview. You can start quiz or you can upload resume for feedback. But to access your certificate, you'll have to complete the practices first. Keep in mind that this page might look different depending on your organization. If you want to practice for an interview, simply click on Start Interview. Then paste a job description you'd like to practice for. You can either get a job description from searching online or the actual job you are prepping for. For example, if you want to practice for an admin job, then you just copy the job description here and start your practice. To get started, click on the level such as Easy, Medium, or Hard. Then click on Generate Mock Interview. Then give it a few seconds for the questions to generate, and the AI should come up for you to start your interview. This is what the page should look like. Once you are ready, click on the Ready button and it will start asking you questions. Once the questions are done, you will be able to see your interview results. For example, it will show the summary, the strengths, and the areas for improvement. Then you will also have a recording of all that information if needed. And at the bottom, you can review the questions and answers and scores as well. Depending on your organization, you will also have access to many videos to watch, practice, and improve. This will help enhance your career skills and become more confident for your upcoming job or career. Once you are done reviewing your results, you can start another interview or go back to the dashboard. As mentioned before, under Dashboard you can also start a quiz or upload resume for the AI to review and give you feedback related to the job you are applying for. We'll take a look at these in just a minute. First, let's look at our Insights tab. Here you can review your interview's average score, questions answered, best performance score for your interviews, total interviews completed, and the exact same insights for your completed quizzes. You would also have access to your average performance table, difficulty levels you have done, your interview and quiz history, and their results. Here you'll also have your personal recommendation and usage stats for easy access. Alright, now let's go back to Dashboard. Let's say we want to start a quiz. All you have to do is click on Start Quiz. It would be the exact same process as an interview. You paste the job description from either search engine or any job description you have available that you'd want to practice for. Once you have the job details in the box, click on the level and then click on Generate Mock Quiz. Then wait a few seconds for AI to generate the quiz, then start answering the questions on the quiz. Once you are done with the quiz, this is where you can see the quiz results. This is similar to your interview results. The questions, answers, and scores will be shown here for you to practice and take notes if needed. Another feature is the Upload Resume feature. For Upload Resume, you can either upload the resume you already have to get feedback, or you can create one. By clicking on Create One, you will get access to a template and you can start writing your own resume. If you already have a resume, then click on Upload Resume and get instant feedback. To change password or update your profile information, click on Profile Page, Personal Details, or Change Password. There is also a badge panel where you can see the badges you have completed. You must complete the requirements and the practices to be able to unlock these. The last part, other than your certificate, which is in Dashboard, would be the report. This is a compiled report where it would show you your information, job readiness summary, report summary, feedback about everything you've completed, which you can send to your teacher or advisor. And the final piece is the certificate. A reminder, you have to complete these steps to be able to access your certificate. This is a certificate of participation to acknowledge that you completed the training. And that is all. Thank you for watching. Good luck to you.